In this video clip we're going to set up our sprite so that he can be moved around the screen using the arrow keys. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is delete the cat sprite, because I'm going to use a sprite from the library, and I'm going to use a fish because I'm working towards making a tropical fish tank in the next few lessons. So here's my fish, and what I'm going to do is set up on the motion tab at the moment him to simply move 10 steps. Now I need an event to happen, and I could actually do it as when the space bar is pressed, but it would make much more sense if it was actually when the up arrow, let's start with up arrow first of all. The only problem is at the moment, whilst I've set the up arrow key to be pressed to move 10 steps, if I click the green flag so that my program's running, when I press the up arrow key he's moving to the right. So I need to go back to the motion tab and actually make him point in the correct direction. Let's make him point up, and let's see what happens now. My green flag, if I press the up key he moves up. Now I could do exactly the same thing, actually clicking on the same controls, and let's making him move 10 steps, and let's point in direction, and then editing it so that it's down, and let's see what happens now. Oh, forgot to change the space to the down arrow key. Hopefully what we've got now, if I click my green flag, is the up and down arrow keys working. Now that took me a little bit of time to actually drag those controls in, so what I can actually do is use the clone tool, and I can clone that set of instructions and then edit it for the left arrow key. And then I need to change the direction to left, and let's do the same thing again. Let's clone, so that this time instead of the down arrow let's change it to right arrow, and we're going to make it point right. Let's try green flag. Great, I've got my fish moving around the screen with the arrow keys. The only problem is he turns upside down when he moves to the left, and the way that you can get around this is if you click on the blue eye for information, you can change the rotation style so that it's only left and right. Then let's see what happens. Here we go, we're away, and even when I move up and down as a fish would do, he doesn't point upwards.